of our users know that we use a concept called power density to determine how much horsepower to put on our parts washers. It's a concept so we know that the work volume and the amount of power we need to remove the soils from the parts are compatible and are going to work efficiently. So what's unique about the orbital washer, Matt, maybe you can give me some insight. Our clamshell washers have what we call a quadruplex pump. It's 140, 2 sets of 70 horsepower. This one has a duplex system with 130 horse.
Right.
So tell us a little bit how they're different, and they're both appropriate for that size washer.
So on our clamshell machines, we've got 140 horsepower of pumping system, and it requires 2 manifolds. And so since we didn't want to have to rotate 2 separate manifolds, we combined that power into one duplex pumping system, and we're still getting over 1,100 gallons a minute at 150 PSI out of this system.
Wow, and these are our proprietary pumps that we designed, and are, to me, one of the major aspects is that we have both high flow and high pressure. We don't compromise one with the other. You get actually both in order to remove all the soils and to do it